Hey, what's up guys, Jaman here. Recently Xiaomi has released their new OS update MIUI 9.5. It has got some great new features and with some great wallpapers too. If you are a Xiaomi user, you can update that now because it has been released globally. But if you aren't a Xiaomi user and want to get this new wallpaper, because some wallpapers will give a great unique look in your home screen, so if you want that, you can get it now. Here are they. This wallpaper looks really nice. If you want to get them, check the link in the description now. I am giving there, and enjoy your new device with a new great look. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button, and don't forget to share it with your friends.